Bro, when fireflies, when you see a firefly and they light up, is that like their defense mechanism or something?
It could be a maiden. In life, it's either defense or mate, bro. All type of animals or humans are the same, bro. We think about survival and we think about nut, bro. Everything you see, bro, that is from like an animal is either survival or mating, bro. Only few animals have shit for entertainment.
Are you teaching me? You think you're teaching me something or something?
Yeah. For entertainment.
Are you teaching me? You think you're teaching me something or something?
Yeah. Like, you know, or entertainment. Dogs have like chew toys and shit. Such a man.
Kids right here. Northwest, right next to us.
It's a jump pad over there too.
You want to take it? You guys want to fight or no?
They are fighting bots right now.
Yeah, I want to fight.
All right, bet. Let's go. Run it.
Fuck yeah, we want to fight.
Oh, they're fighting the.
I just said that.
I'm jump padding on him. Right here, right here. Homie's right here. He dropped down. He's jump padding up.
Oh! Damn, bro! Bro, this is my best match! Why didn't I shoot?
Are you fucking kidding me? Those guys were shit.
Oh, are you serious?
Alright, go back to lobby because we're gonna.
Bro, we can beat them niggas, bro.
Go back to lobby, bro. Please.
Bro, I didn't even shoot because I thought that was a fake person.